Q5089. At some airports located in Class D airspace where ground visibility is not reported, takeoffs and landings under Special VFR are A. Not authorized. B. Authorized by ATC if the flight visibility is at least 1 sm. C. Authorized only if the ground visibility is observed to be at least 3 sm. The correct answer is B. Authorized by ATC if the flight visibility is at least 1 statute mile, sm. Correctly states that if the ground visibility is not reported at an airport in Class D airspace, takeoffs and landings under SVFR can still be authorized by Air Traffic Control, ATC. As long as the flight visibility is at least 1 sm. Flight visibility refers to the visibility of objects and other aircraft in the air, rather than the visibility of objects on the ground. 5090. To operate an airplane under Special VFR, SVFR, within Class D airspace at night, which is required? A. The pilot must hold an instrument rating, but the airplane need not be equipped for instrument flight, as long as the weather will remain at or above SVFR minimums. B. The Class D airspace must be specifically designated as a night SVFR area. C. The pilot must hold an instrument rating and the airplane must be equipped for instrument flight. The correct answer is C. The pilot must hold an instrument rating and the airplane must be equipped for instrument flight. Correctly states that for SVFR operations within Class D airspace at night, the pilot must hold an instrument rating, which indicates their ability to operate the aircraft using Instrument Flight Rules, IFR. Additionally, the airplane must be equipped for instrument flight, meaning it must have the necessary instrumentation and equipment to comply with IFR requirements. 5116-1. When approaching to land at an airport, without an operating control tower, in Class G airspace, the pilot should A. Make all turns to the left, unless otherwise indicated. B. Fly a left-hand traffic pattern at 800 feet AGL. C. Enter and fly a traffic pattern at 800 feet AGL. The correct answer is A. Make all turns to the left, unless otherwise indicated, is the correct response. In Class G airspace, there are no specific regulations or requirements regarding the direction of turns in the traffic pattern. However, the standard convention is to make all turns to the left when flying in a traffic pattern unless otherwise indicated. This convention helps maintain consistent traffic flow and allows for better visual scanning of other aircraft in the area. 5116-2. When approaching to land at an airport, without an operating control tower, in Class G airspace, a helicopter pilot should A. Avoid the flow of fixed-wing aircraft. B. Make all turns to the left, unless otherwise indicated. C. Enter and fly a traffic pattern at 800 feet AGL. The correct answer is A. Avoid the flow of fixed-wing aircraft is the correct response for a helicopter pilot. Helicopters have unique characteristics and capabilities compared to fixed-wing aircraft, and it is recommended for helicopter pilots to avoid the flow of fixed-wing aircraft when approaching to land at an airport without a control tower in Class G airspace. This helps to minimize the potential for conflicts and maintain safety. 5574-3. If a military training route has flights operating at or below 1,500 feet AGL, it will be designated by A. VR and a 3-digit number only. B. IR or VR and a 4-digit number. C. IR or VR and a 3-digit number. The correct answer is B. Military training routes, MTRs, are identified by the initials IR or VR and a 4-digit number when flights are conducted at or below 1,500 feet AGL.